Hey guys, I hope you will be fine. Again, I'm here with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you 10 sentences which we use in daily life. So without wasting time, let's get start our lesson. The first sentence is I don't wanna beseech you. I don't wanna beseech you. मैं तुम्हें मिन्नत नहीं करना चाहता. Second, give respect, take respect. Give respect, take respect. इज्जत दो, इज्जत लो. 3. Don't become craven. Don't become craven. लालची मत बनो. 4. Only wool gathering will not work. Only wool gathering will not work. सिर्फ ख्याली पुलाव से काम नहीं चलेगा. 5. He passed in first trial. He passed in first trial. वो पहली आजमाइश में पास हो गया. 6. Don't stretch like that. Don't stretch like that. इस तरह अंगड़ाई मत लो. 7. He get phlegm cough. He get phlegm cough. उसे बलगम वाली खांसी है. 10. Her husband is very skeptical. Her husband is very skeptical. उसका शौहर बहुत शक्की है. So guys, these were my 10 sentences. I hope you will like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in next video, and don't forget to tell me in comment box that this video is helpful for you or not. Okay, have a good day.